Hey friends, if you wish to get a list of installed programs on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, search for PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here's what you have to do. Paste it here and hit enter for get package. And you will get a comprehensive list of all the software products installed on your system. For example, Microsoft Office, Mozilla Firefox, OneDrive and all. But if you want a better way to look at this list, then simply right click on the start button, select settings, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then you'll find all the apps here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.